Hello guys, this is a tutorial video for giving a basic understanding of QGIS software. And these are the things that we are about to discuss in this video. History of QGIS, installing the QGIS software, and an overview of the QGIS interface. QGIS was initially called as Quantum GIS. In early 2002, Gary Sherman began the development of Quantum GIS. The version 1.0 was released in January 2009. In 2013, along with the release of the version 2.0, the name was officially changed from Quantum GIS to QGIS. As of 2022, QGIS is available for multiple operating systems. And the latest version available is version 3.26 that was released in 17th June 2022. For downloading the software, just click on your browser and type QGIS in Google. Here you can find this www.qgis.org. Click on this website. As we all know that it is a free and open source geographical information system software. For downloading this one, click on this download now. Here you can find multiple options for different OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, BSD, and even for mobile and tablets. The latest release was on 9/9/2022. For my demonstration purpose, I am just clicking on this one since I am using a Windows OS. Once you click here, you can able to find here that the software is being downloaded in your browser. Just wait for this download to complete. After downloading the software, just double click on the downloaded file so that the installation process will begin now. A setup wizard is open. Just click on the next and an end user license agreement is displayed in the dialog box. Scroll down, read out completely and accept the terms by clicking the box and click next. Here is the destination folder. I am saving it in my C drive. Click next. Now the software is ready to install. Based upon the internet connectivity, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes for installation process. The software is now installed. Just click finish. Once the installation is over, we can go to start menu and you can see that the QGIS desktop 3.26.3 is visible over here. I'm going to click on this. Now go to new empty project by clicking here, or we can use Ctrl N as a shortcut to open a new project. I'm going to click here. Now you can see here an empty working space. This is our working interface for QGIS. Now let's get to know about the browser panel a bit, because as a beginner we frequently use this browser panel. In the browser panel, we can able to visualize all the files in our laptop or our desktop. Now I am going to take one of a shapefile from the D drive. So here it is, water body shapefile. I am going to visualize this in the files as well. See, it is in the folder called GIS, QGIS, the same water body folder, but there are different formats available. But in our browser panel, I could only see this shapefile format. Only this contour and water body shapefile is visible, this one and this one. Okay, just for demonstration I have opened that. Now I am going to click this shapefile and bring it to the screen. So this is how we are going to bring a shapefile into our working space. Now you can visualize a layer panel below the browser panel. This is the layer panel, and automatically this layer panel brought in this water bodies layer when I drag it from the browser panel. By right clicking, I am removing this layer. Now coming back to the browser panel, in some cases this browser panel may disappear. So to make it enable and disable, I have to go to this view panel and make this browser panel enable or disable. The same procedure we can follow for other panels as well.